In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. So first things first that you can do is to head over to grammarly.com and then look at the Microsoft Office option. So you can either sign up or sign up with Google depending on your changes. So for this case, let's head over and sign up with your Google account. You can click onto this button and then just choosing here your Google account that you would like to use. Once you have chosen your account, the next thing that you can do is you can head over and then just try to sign up. Once you have done it, this will ask you to tell a little about yourself. Let's choose in here these options. So for example, let's choose in here this. And if you're a student, you need to choose when you're gonna graduate. You can also skip specific steps if you would want. Now you can also choose Word under this case, and you can choose in here the free or the pro plan depending on which one. So in here you can choose the Get Grammarly for Windows, and in here this will download the Grammarly installer. Once the Grammarly installer has been downloaded, next thing you can do is to install it right there into your actual computer. Just wait for this to be installed. Then once it's done, head over and then double click it in order to successfully install it. Once you have clicked it, it will open the installation window. So just prompt the actual installation for this part. Just wait for this right there. As you can see, Grammarly has been installed, so head over and click on open right here, and in here you can see how the Grammarly looks like. So once you have it installed, you can head over and open your Microsoft right here, and it should be able to actually show up from there. You can see in here the perks of the Grammarly, so you can just proceed with this right here. So continue to free and then sign up for an account. So in here, click on the start using Grammarly option. And then in here, you will see Grammarly installed. It will open in here this part. So the next thing you need to do is to just choose where Grammarly will be installed. As you have noticed, Grammarly is now available into your Microsoft. So you can see in here the actual score suggestions. You can head over and try this out. You can click on specific parts right here and you can see that this actually have some things wrong to this. You can open here this widget and find what's wrong with those and you can now do it all together. So that's how you add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. Hope you help.